Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Mom and Sir. I'm Jillian Castor, 40 years old, married, one son, age 22 years old. I live at Barangay Manuscot, Potatang, Iloilo. I have one brother and one sister.
Okay. Are you a high school graduate or a college graduate?
I am a high school graduate, Mom.
Okay. Do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, Mom. First, I worked in Kuwait for 3 years to a couple with the children 3 years old and 6 years old, Mom. I do all household like cleaning, washing, cooking, and do marketing also. But my main duty is to taking care of the children. And the second one is I work in Singapore to a couple with one kid aged 2 years old. I do all household like cooking, cleaning, marketing, and my main duties is to taking care of the child.
Okay. How many years in Singapore?
2 years, Mom.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a responsible, hardworking, and honest person, Mom.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, Mom.
Which part?
In the right back of my lower shoulder, Mom.
Okay. Do you have any surgical operation before?
Yes, Mom. That was in 2006. It's almost 18 years ago, Mom.
Okay. What was that?
Ovarian cyst, Mom.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad again?
I want to work abroad to send my son in school to finish his college and to build a house and also to support my mother as well, Mom.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children? I
My
mean.
mother, Mom.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. after my work done and wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, Mom.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, Mom.
In Hong Kong, kids, the kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will put more understanding and patience to the children, Mom.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my job and remind myself that I need this job.
Okay, do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, Mom.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, Mom.
When you visited the parents, relative, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores
Yes,
there?
Mom.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, Mom.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, Mom.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, Mom.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check first the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer, Mom.
Okay, do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, Mom.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, Mom.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, Mom. I promise to finish my contract and willing to extend if my employer needs me, Mom.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Baba black sheep, have you any more? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who came down the lane.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Dear Mom and Sir, I hope you will select me as your helper. I am responsible, hardworking, and honest person, and I promise to serve your family with all my best, Mom and Sir.